Welcome to my channel. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Incolorwig. They sent me this bomb T-part wig, and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing y'all everything that I did to get this look. This wig did come ombre pre-colored. Yes, the color came like this, y'all. Literally, as I said before, it is a T-part, so you can only wear it down the middle. So we're about to get right into this video. Hope y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy making.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is a one in a
So this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy making. As I said before, this is like my 4th or 5th time working with Incolorwigs. Y'all, I definitely love working with this company. Their hair is always good. The link to this wig will be in the description box. Everything that you need to know about this company will be in the description box. Literally sits everything, their website, link, Instagram, as well as my Instagram and my Snapchat. You can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel as well.